Welcome back. College students belonging to the NSUI panel on Saturday gathered at Raj Bhavan demanding a meeting with the governor. They were protesting against the wrongful disqualification of their contesting candidates for the Goa University Students' Council election. Later, university officials pacified the students and assured them to resolve the issue on Sunday.
According to the NSUI representatives, some of their candidates nominated for the Student Council elections were wrongfully disqualified. The dates of the university faculty elections held in colleges were wrongly mentioned in some nomination forms submitted by the colleges, leading to disqualification of the candidates. The university has assured them to conduct an inquiry into this before the elections to be held on Monday.
खुबशा कॉलेजींनी 23 सप्टेंबराक जी डेट आसली इलेक्शनाची ते दिसात इलेक्शन जालें. इट वॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू युनिवर्सिटी स्टॅट्यूट्स युनिवर्सिटीन जे शेड्यूल धाडलेले इलेक्शनाचे ताजे प्रमाणे जाले. 26 ऑफ सप्टेंबर वॉज द डेट टू सबमिट द फॉर्म्स द रिजल्ट टू युनिवर्सिटी. 26 तारखेक कॉलेजींनी युनिवर्सिटीक धाडले रिजल्ट. थोड्या कॉलेजींनी फॅक्स केले आनी थोड्या कॉलेजींनी हँड डिलिव्हरी दिली. आतां जाला कितें, थोड्या कॉलेजींनी मिस्टेक 23 तारीख घालपाच्या जाग्यार चुकून 26 तारीख बरयली, पण कॉलेजींनी इमिजिएटली रेक्टिफाय केले, डिस्क्वॉलिफाय केले तांकां इल्लिगली. आमी तांकां पयर रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिलें, ताणें आमकां पयलीं अश्युरन्स दिलें की कॉलेजीचे प्रिंसिपलान लेट पावल्या तो कितें म्हणटा की तुमी ते डेटी मिस्टेक केल्या. अरे बरोवपाक मिस्टेक जाता, कॉलेजीन एक्सेप्ट केली न्ही, इमिजिएटली एक्सेप्ट केली फॉल्ट.
The decision on the issue will now be taken on Sunday as the Vice Chancellor and the Registrar were both out of station.
Tomorrow, through consultations, we'll definitely arrive at a solution and we'll let you know, okay? Because the Registrar, Vice Chancellor, they will all consult and come out with a solution which should be acceptable tomorrow.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
And now news from sports. The All India Football Federation will have to look elsewhere in their search to appoint a coach for Indian national team. Salgaonkar Sports Club have refused to release Karim Bencherifa for his contract after the Moroccan coach provided stunning results in his first full season with the Vasco-based club. Salgaonkar Sports Club President Shivanand Salgaocar has told AIFF Secretary Kushal Das that Bencherifa will honour his remaining contract with the club.
This is the man who has taken Salgaonkar Sports Club to the top of Indian football circuit once again with a grand double of the I-League and the Federation Cup. After a wretched period of 10 long years, Salgaonkar are once again a major force in Indian club football. And most of the credit goes to the Moroccan coach Karim Bencherifa. Club President Shivanand Salgaocar has told the AIFF that Bencherifa will not be released.
Karim will not be released, and I've spoken to Kushal that even if Karim, let's say, breaks the contract and goes, All India Football Federation will not take it. So I mean, I don't think, there's no question of Karim breaking it. He's a gentleman. Whenever he's left a club, he's left it with grace. He's left it with the club's happy. That is why even today the Churchill are very happy with him, although they miss him. And also Mohan Bagan, there was some misunderstanding, but it's they who threw him out. So there was no question of he ditching a club. So Karim is a gentleman, and I don't think he'll leave us. I mean, he'll want to leave our club and join AIFF at this time. Although it's an honor for any person to be called to play for the national. I mean, to coach a national team.
Salgaonkar will face a big challenge of the Asian competition this season, and naturally there will be no scope for any distraction. Bencherifa's boys will be tested with more number of competitions to play in, and all the plans of the club needs the experience of Karim.
Karim, as far as Karim is concerned, the 2-year contract is also. And 2-year contract असता प्रमाणे आम्ही जरी All India Football Federation, I mean India TV आमचं the interest at heart. आम्ही 2-year contract असता, and based on the contract we have prepared certain plans and recruited certain players. So there's no way that I'm going to release Karim midway through my contract.
With two of the top coaches, including Dempo's talisman Armando Colasso, now unavailable for India, the AIFF will face a tough task of filling up the vacant position. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Markaikar.
The new floodlights will come up at the Nehru Stadium by the beginning of December this year. This is a promise by the Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, VM Prabhu. The estimation is based on the assumption that the work order is issued in the coming week. Prabhu told Prudent that the last 20-odd days were eaten up by the necessary technical scrutiny after the highest bidder, Bajaj, expressed doubts on rivals and lowest bidder, GE.
I'm very happy to say that the independent agency which was appointed, Inamdar by name, he has been there in the floodlighting business for nearly a quarter century, and he has given, after examining all the papers that were given by GE, the technical proposal, he has come to conclusion that theirs is a sound proposal and their design is up to the mark, and GE would be in a position to execute the job as required by FIFA, by the FIFA standard, and 1500 lux lights would be available. So all this time, nearly 20-25 days have gone into this procedure. We feel bad about it, but one couldn't help it. It was required because of the Bajaj letter. Let us presume that we give the work order by 3rd or 4th. I think 2 months from then.
December.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, October, November, 2 months.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sunny Narvikar from Panji.
And with this, we have come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Have a great weekend up ahead. Goodbye.